Hi book friends! Today I'll be reading Elmo Loves Puppies, a Sesame Street book about doggies. Doggies are so special. I love them. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Elmo loves all kinds of animals, but Elmo really loves puppies. Do you see Elmo? There he is, on top of the cow. The cow goes, moo, moo. What other animal do you see? The moose with the antlers. The duck in the middle, it goes quack, 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 quack. I think it's quacking. It's going quack, quack. The turtle. And the crocodile goes jump, 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 jump. Oh, but that's a friendly one. Yeah, and there's even a seagull up in the sky. Puppies have long ears and hop around, right? Oh, let's see what's under this flap. No, that's a bunny. That's right. That's the wrong animal. That's a bunny with long ears and likes to hop around. Wrong animal, Elmo. That's not a doggy. Elmo was just being silly. Elmo knows all about puppies. Elmo's laughing. He's going, ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. And there go all of the puppies. Oh, I bet they love Elmo too. That's a beautiful puppy with long hair. Then this puppy has short hair. Oh, and this puppy is smiling. Goodness. Some puppies have short fur. Yeah, like this one, right? It's going ruff, 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 ruff. Let's open the flap. And some have long fur with bows, like this one. Oh, what kind of doggy is that? It looks like a poodle to me, and it's going arf, 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 arf. And you see its little ponytail with the bow? Oh, if I had a poodle, I would do the same exact thing. A little bow. Puppies come in lots of sizes. Some puppies are little. Oh, is this a little guy right there? Yeah. Oh, he's so cute. Let's open the flap. And some are big. That's a big doggy. There goes Elmo petting it on the head. Oh, and the doggy likes it. Has its tongue out. Look, we can't even see its eyes. It has all that fur on top of its eyes. Oh, it's so big and fluffy. So this one is small and this one is big. All sizes. This is Elmo's friend, Julia. That's Julia. Julia's family has a puppy. Oh, they're friends. And there goes Julia's family. Look at that. That's Dad. That's Mama. That's brother. They're holding hands. Yeah, Julia and her brother are holding hands. Oh, let's meet the puppy. This is Rose. What a beautiful name for a puppy. Rose. Rose looks like a big puppy. And Rose likes to play with the soccer ball. Yeah, the soccer ball. Puppies love to chew on balls. They sure do. Hi, Rose. Nice to meet you, Rose. Puppies make great pets. They are furry and friendly and lots of fun. There goes Rose licking Julia. And Julia is so happy. Yeah. When dogs give us love, we feel so good. That's why doggies are so special, because they just love, love, love. Ooh, let's lift this flap up. Just like Elmo. Yeah. Elmo is furry. He is. Yeah. He's friendly. And he's lots and lots of fun. Look, he's balancing a ball. You see the big ball on Elmo's nose? Ooh, I want to try that. Maybe I can balance a ball on my nose just like Elmo. Maybe I gotta try. And that's the end of Elmo Loves Puppies. Yay! What a good story about Julia and Rose and Elmo. Did you like the story about doggies? Do you have a doggie? If you have a doggie, go give your doggie a hug. Go give your doggie a kiss and say, I love you, doggie. Yeah. We gotta love our doggies and be nice to them. Can't pull their tails. No, 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 no. That's not good. Oh, well, until next time. Bye-bye, book friends.